Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to send your over token from your Overflex app to the exchange where over token will be listing. Okay, but before we go ahead, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Okay guys, first of all I need to send the over token I have in my OKS Web3 wallet to this my Overflex wallet because I might decide to stake. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to click on this account. Okay, then you're going to copy your wallet address. Okay, so you copy your wallet address, you go to your OKX Web3 wallet, so you click on this over to withdraw your over token. Okay, so you click on send. So you're going to paste the wallet address that you copied. Just click on paste. So you allow it to load. So you click on confirm. So you're going to type the amount of over token that you want to send. I'm going to try 2 first, so I'll know if it will go. So you click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, it said it's confirming. They have sent it. So I'm going to my Overflex app now to check if I have received it there. Then I'll come back and send all the token. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has arrived. Before I was having 230.3 over token, but now I'm having 232.3 over token. Okay, so I'm going to send the remaining over token in my OKS to this my Overflex app. Okay, as you can see, my over token is here. All my over token, I've withdrawn all the one from my OKX to this Overflex app. Okay, so this is my over token, all of them. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to send this my over token to the exchange where over token will be listing. Okay, you can use BingX, you can use Gates.io, but for the sake of this video I'll be using my Gates.io. So if you are using Gates.io or BingX, make sure that your app is verified. Okay, make sure that your app is verified. So this is my Gates.io now. So once you open your Gates.io, you click on wallet. Okay, but make sure that your Gates.io is verified. Okay, don't deposit your coin if your Gates.io is not verified. So you click on this spot, then click on deposit. You click on on-chain deposit. So on the search bar, you're going to type over. Okay, so you search for it. As you can see, it's here, over protocol. So you're going to give it time for it to load. Okay, for you to generate your wallet address. So you click here to copy your wallet address. Okay, then once you copy, you go back to the Overflex app. Then you click on send. Okay, you paste the wallet address. So you click on next. You tap here. So I'm going to type the amount of over token that you'll be sending. I'm not going to send, or I'm going to send like 9. I'm going to send 9 to know if I will receive it in my Gates.io. So you click on next. So you click on got it. Okay, so you click on got it. So you slide. So you say request submitted. Okay, so I'm going to my Gates.io now to see if I have received the 9 that I just sent, the 9 over token that I just sent. Okay, so guys, after like 5 minutes I received my over token in my gates.io. Okay, so if you send yours to your exchange, you're going to wait for it to about 2 to 10 minutes before you are going to receive it in your exchange. Okay, so that is all on how to send your over token to the exchange where the over token will be listing. Okay, so once they list, you can trade it here, you can sell it here. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it and join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates.